Hey, it's Teacher Jan. Let's talk about physics study techniques for students with short-term memory. Because physics is a science which also deals with mathematics as its language, we will strategize study of physics using different techniques in conceptual part and mathematical part. For the conceptual part, I mostly make it this way when I study. Read all the information from the book, slides, or module aloud. Wave consists of a oscillating motion or regular vibration of particles proceeding of sensation. Pulse flows from a solid wave with dynamic vibration. Typical solenoid that operates to any dynamic system of the individual sensation metals to reverse balance. Hence transfer to any uncertain measurements. Why read it aloud? This is to help me comprehend the text and also will help me remember what I have read. Jot down notes. After reading the text, jot down or write down important key terms or information. Why do I have to write? According to Edgar Dale, people can remember 70% of what they say and write. Chunking. When your notes are ready, do not study all at once. Divide your notes and master each part one at a time. Read aloud the chunk parts. To better remember and understand, read your notes again aloud, but this time, focus on the part you need to master first. Mnemonics. Mnemonics help you remember so easily. Because remembering is the foundation of all the cognitive domain of learning, it is so essential not to miss any bit of information. Cover parts. This is for mastery also. Cover the key terms and guess the definition or its details. Oscillating motion with single disturbance, pulse, forces are balanced and fully resolution from 2 different temperature. Read all. This is for mastery as well. For a final recap of information, read everything in your notes. Wave for oscillating motion, energy transfer, regular vibration of particles, fixed position of the disturbance without transporting mass or also is chosen. Make questions from the text you have studied. If you study, it is also important to know what might happen during the assessment. As much as possible, create many questions that might possibly be asked during the test, and of course, you answer it. What is the relationship between Share. Sharing is not as always bad. Sharing to anyone what you have learned will help you learn best, because at this level, you will become the source of information. About 90% of what you teach will be retained in your memory. Okay, so there are actually 3 important terms for the wave anatomy, so we have amplitude, percentile. Okay, that horizontal line, we call that block is equal to position. Okay, then? And it is done. Continue learning physics with fun, whatever your goal is. To know how I study the mathematical part of physics, please watch Physics Study Techniques for Students with Short-Term Memory Part 2. To get notified of my new videos and lesson tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.